Get ready with me for my husband's birthday party. I feel bad for anyone whose birthday falls between the holidays. His birthday is a day after Christmas and he's a twin. Growing up, he would get one present for Christmas and his birthday, and he would have to share it with his twin. That's like 4 presents in one. I know he looks 18, but he's actually turning 35. Anyways, because of that, birthdays are a little bit of a sore subject for him. Tonight, I'm throwing him an amazing birthday for his 35th. On his actual birthday this year, we're going to be in Jeju, so we're going to be celebrating with my family, but he loves his friends, so I want to be able to do something special. And during the time I've known him, I've never thrown him an actual birthday party because he's such a frugal guy and he doesn't like it when people spend money on him, so I thought he would just get mad if I, threw him a birthday party. This year, I just went ahead and planned it without telling him, and then I told him when I was done with all the restaurant and the details. I thought he was gonna get so mad, but you guys, he got so excited. It was so cute. That just reminded me, men are still little boys at heart, and they love being treated like a baby. So I rented out a little corner at an Italian restaurant here in the city and invited 30 of his closest friends. And I know this can sound a little bit sad, but this is his first real birthday party in his adult life. Because I know how happy this birthday party is making him, I'm so excited. Okay, let's get the party started.